Face-off won by Stützle. Left circle shot, Batherson wide right. Rebound, Zub shoots, save made. Rebound, Stützle shoots, save again by Johansson. Gord is down on the ice, couldn't get the puck. It's played by Stützle. Two big saves there for Johansson. Paul does win it. Radish center point shot. Save made, Ullmark, rebound, Nick Paul shoots, save again, Ullmark. Ullmark lost track of the rebound for an instant. It dribbled out of his reach, and Paul jumped at it. A second big save by the Ottawa goalie, and then he covers. Still no score.
Nick Paul's our best faceoff guy. So anytime he's out there, you know you're going to get opportunity. He's going to win draws, and Radish always finds a way to get the puck through.
No score in the first. Zub to center ice, Zetterlund. Across the blue line, Foegele has a step right circle. Cuts in front and shoots. Save Johansson. Big stop on Foegele. Point of pass stolen by Greg. He has a man up ice. Brady Tkachuk. Brady Tkachuk's got a breakaway. He's in alone. Save made, Johansson. Deflected to wide right. Drop pass is intercepted and cleared by Spence to Amadio. Odd man maybe across the blue line. Here's Zub right circle. Centers it. Deflected just wide left. The puck is right on the top of the net. Where is it? Oh, they blow it dead. Eller had pinched there and had the redirection that went wide, and the puck was on the top of the net, but they blew the play dead before it dropped down potentially on Johansson's shoulder.
Yeah, Ratty tried to come back down to save that puck. He had the first touch on it. He tried to do a kick back to Kucherov in the O-zone. Amadio does a good job of reading it. That creates a turnover, and then there you go. They have three guys up the ice. It creates a 3-on-1. Zub goes cross ice to Eller there. Jojo, huge save.
Jordan Spence, right point Stützle. Tim Stützle leaves it Sanderson right circle. Jake Sanderson wheels right circle. Centers it, Johansson covers it up. Very dangerous sequence after really an iffy icing call, the third in a row against the Lightning. They were shocked, as were you and as was I, Patty, that the icing was called, but the Lightning finally get the full change. Still no score, 7:23 left in the second. Tkachuk crossed the blue line, left circle, right circle, Spence, fires, score! Spence went up and over the glove of Johansson. The Lightning got caught in the neutral zone, 2-on-1, and Jordan Spence scores to make it 1-0 Ottawa with 4:14 left in the second. Right wing Kucherov. Minute 44 left in the period. Kucherov flips it forward, Paul. Across the line, Nick Paul, left circle to Perry. Cross his feed, comes in front, Paul, backhand shot, score! Nick Paul! He scores against his former team. It's 1-1 with 1:37 left in the second. Paul got a bounce, but he took advantage of it and finishes on the backhand.
You can see Corey Perry chuckling there. He was trying to do a cross-ice seam to Nikita Kucherov. We got a lucky, fortunate bounce right off Brady Tkachuk's big skis, right to Nick Paul's tape, and Nick Paul finds a way to use his hands. Good patience by him. Good backhand right up top. Great shot by Nick Paul.
Bounces this back in. The puck drops right down for Tkachuk. Backhand shot off the side of the net. Tremendous pressure by Ottawa. Zetterlund left circle shot. Score! That might have been tipped by Tkachuk, who had a monster shift. Maybe not. Maybe it's Zetterlund's goal. It was a knuckleball. And the Sens go back up 2-1 with 17:15 left. Stützle had it at the right point. He looked to make a play, but it skipped off his stick, came out of the zone. Quick regroup, Sanderson. Sens are buzzing right now. Sanderson to the right, circling and a knife in front. Scores it! He slid it to the net, and it got underneath Johansson's pad. It's 3-1. Paul skating well tonight. Here he comes again up the middle at center. Across the blue line. Skeets left circle. Punches across ice. Waiting for it. Perry right circle. Let it go to Chernak right point. Back for Nick Paul, right corner. Paul steps right circle. Nice feed, McDonough center point. Feeds it, Perry! Score! Corey Perry! What a play by McDonough. He sold the shot, fed Perry at the side of the net. The redirection goal for Corey Perry, and it's 3-2 Ottawa with 9:25 left.
That starts right in their own zone. Good play by Cernak, using the net for his advantage. Give it to Ryan McDonough. And like you said early on, Mish, Nick Paul has had a heck of a game. He has low speed in their D zone. He creates that speed, and then all of a sudden he rims around to Corey Perry. He leaves it, and they rim it back down to Nick Paul. Nick Paul makes a heck of a play to Ryan McDonough, and Ryan McDonough gets his head up and sees Corey Perry on the backside of the net. And majority of the time, Mish, Corey Perry's not missing those. He's a savvy vet.
Right circle, Tkachuk shoots, save made Johansson. The puck is covered by Johansson. No! Score on the rebound! Johansson thought he had it covered. It got knocked loose. Swooping in, Stützle lifts it in. It's 4-2. Started with the faceoff win, though. The The Sens applied a lot of pressure. Brady Tkachuk crossed the line, in alone, Jake Sanderson, score! Back-to-back power play goals. The Lightning had a breakdown on rush coverage. 5 assists now for Brady Tkachuk. And Sanderson has his second goal. It's 5-2. For Radish at the right point, Radish is checked. Comes out of the zone. Pinto is after it. Pinto looking to score an empty net goal, and he's going to do it. Shorthanded empty netter for Pinto. Radish got handcuffed at the blue line. That'll make it 6-2. Cameron Crotty got his first NHL point tonight on a goal in the third period. He'll slide it down the ice. Lilleberg collects. Final 10 seconds. Lilleberg holds on to it. The fans rise and voice their appreciation as the Sens pick up a huge win, 2 in a row after they had suffered a couple of losses in a row. But they score 5 in the third, 2 power play goals, a shorthanded empty netter, and then those 2 early ones that broke up in a 1-1 tie, and they win it by a final of 6-2.